Yo, what's happening? I go by Mr. Skip Barber, Master Barber. Been cutting for 26 years. So I've had a lot of clippers, worked with a lot of clippers to test them out or whatnot. I remember I had a pair of fast feeds like in '93. You know what I mean? So uh, today I want to talk about these clippers right here, the Wahl 5-star series Magic Clip cordless clippers. Definitely a good investment to have. The motor it works real solid, real clean. The clippers they're light. Um, I mean you can cut real simple with these. You know what I'm saying? Versus with you know, clippers that with the cord attached. These don't feel as heavy. Um, the blades uh, are real sturdy. I don't know, just the vibe, the way I feel, them. You know, they take a minute to get used to at first, but after about the first week or so, about the first week of using them, you get the hang of them, and you're like, okay, and they're like, it feels like you're holding a brush in your hands, like you're cutting hair with a brush. Um, so they're definitely, you know, quality. Definitely a good investment to have. Uh, it says here, stagger tooth blade with crunch blade technology for a smoother cut. Definitely that. It's definitely a smoother cut. I've noticed when I've used these on my clients, um, especially like when I'm giving like a wavelength cut going with the grain, I noticed that the hair lays down a lot more flat versus you know how it's fine hair kind of sticking up still. This tends to get all that, and it cuts right through everything. Um, so yeah, these are like what you use to get you through tough times. Um, it doesn't snag when you use the guard on somebody. It's real simple, and you can adjust them to where they kind of match the feel of Wahl balding clip as well. Um, so you adjust them close and use the lever to you know do your fades and the different levels or whatnot. But I found these to be really uh, a good investment to have. Uh, it says that you can charge them up 90 minutes worth, or you charge them and they last like 90 minutes. I've noticed maybe if they're like on the whole time, but you know sometimes as barbers we got numerous pairs of clippers, and so we kind of go from one thing to another and vice versa. So I noticed that when I charge them overnight at the shop and I come back, I tend to use them the rest of the day. You know, so I would say definitely treat yourself with these. They come with the guards, eight, number one, number two, number three, a four, a six, and an eight. Uh, so yeah, they're definitely high quality. You can take these when you're doing a house call and be on the go. Um, so yeah, I like the fact that they're real light. Feels like you're using a brush when you're cutting. You know how like when you're brushing your hair, that's how these feel. Wahl never fails, tends to fail. In my opinion, I take them over other companies. Um, Wahl's definitely one of the standouts. Um, trying to see what's up. It comes with the oil, cleaning brush, you know, comes all the regular stuff. It comes with all that. Um, so yeah, definitely get you these. I would say they run about $60. Um, my thing is, you know, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. You know what I'm saying? So go out and get you a pair of these Wahl 5-star series cordless magic clip, and you'll be very happy. Leave your comments down at the bottom. Tell me what you think about these clippers, or whatnot, or any other pair of clippers you may know of. Peace.